Most people trying to get website clients think they need a killer portfolio, a fancy website, or a stack of 5-star testimonials, and at least 6 months of experience before any business owner will take them seriously. And that is 100% completely wrong. And if you're spending your time building out a fake portfolio with made-up projects, designing personal brand websites, or watching course after course after course, waiting until you feel ready, I need you to stop right now, because you're doing it completely backwards and it's costing you money every single day. Here's the truth. The fastest path to landing your very first website client has nothing to do with how good you are at web design skills. It has everything to do with knowing where to look and knowing exactly what to say when you find them. I'm going to show you exactly how to get web design clients this year, even if you have zero experience, zero portfolio, and zero clue where to start. And I'm going to give you 3 proven methods that I'm using myself and thousands of others are doing the same that are working right now in the real world. All right, let's get into it. All right, real quick before we dive in, I have absolutely nothing to sell you in this video. I have no high ticket course, no coaching upsell, no secret paid community. Everything I'm sharing today is completely free. All I ask you to do is hit the like button, share this video with a friend, and comment free course below or use the link in the description. Then I'm going to personally make sure you get my exact outreach scripts, my pricing templates, and my step-by-step fulfillment system sent straight to your inbox at no cost. All right, now let's make you some money. I genuinely believe that this is the best time in history to start a web design business. And here's why. AI tools like Lovable and GoHighLevel's AI Studio have completely changed what is possible. You can now build a professionally high-converting SEO-optimized website for local businesses in a matter of minutes. Not weeks, not months. The technical barrier is basically gone. And at the same time, over 40% of small business owners in the United States still don't have a functional website. And the ones that do, most of them are completely outdated. They're slow and they're not built to actually convert into customers. And that's the gap between the business's needs and what they currently have. That's your opportunity, and it's massive. These business owners are not hard to find. They're right there on Google Maps. They're running Facebook ads pointing to broken pages that don't convert. They're getting recommended in local Facebook communities with no website to send people. All you need to do is know how to find them and start the conversation. And that's exactly what I'm going to show you right now with 3 simple and easy methods. All right, so you're simply going to go over to Google Maps and you're going to type in a certain home service business plus a location or an area. Or you can say near me if you want to do your local area, which I actually did when I first started, is become the local hero in my community. But for this example, I'm going to use house cleaner in Buffalo, New York. We're zoomed in here on Buffalo, New York. And again, you can use HVAC, plumbers, electricians, chiropractors, gyms, pressure washing companies, whatever you want to do. All right, so pick a niche, maybe 2 or 3 niches, and you're simply going to start scrolling down the listings and seeing which ones have either a low amount of reviews or no website at all. If they have a low amount of reviews, that typically means that they're just getting started or they haven't put much time and effort into their online presence. All right, after the results come up, you're simply going to start scrolling down the listings. You're looking for ones that either have a low amount of reviews or no website logo like this. Because if they have a website logo, they're ranking near the top. They probably have an incredible website. So I'm going to let that one load so we can take a look at what a good website looks like. Professional, easy way to contact them and book online. When you click this, it's going to bring you to a form most likely, and you can get in touch with them right there. So that's a great looking website. So we're going to scroll past. I want to give you what a good website looks like. And right here, Elite Cleaning Helpers, 18 reviews, no website. Perfect. I would write them down, put them in an Excel spreadsheet, and I would continue to move on. Again, you want to batch. So the best thing to do is get maybe 5 to 10 that you can reach out to. And the nice thing about going after the same niche is you create one website template to show them on demo calls. So you create one beautiful looking AI website. We use AI Studio. I have tons of videos on our channel on how to use AI Studio to build out the websites. And then you can use that as the example, or you could even switch it up and put their own logos and all that stuff on it if you wanted. So we're going to continue going down. So Elite one, ABC Cleaning, another one with no website. Keep going down. Extreme Cleaning Services, Prime Cleaning Services. So I've just found 4. And we're just going to keep going. Let's see if we can find another one. Knights Cleaning, Toby Cleaning. 5, 6. All right, so just going through, I'm also looking for ones again with low amount of reviews. So if you click this and click the website, they don't even own the domain, Cleaner B&B. So this is obviously a client that you could reach out to and say, hey, your website link's broke. I can help you fix that and create a much better optimized website. Here's another 15 review one. I would imagine they don't have the best, not horrible. Definitely could use some improvement. Top-notch janitorial. Let's take a look. Page not working. Now this client right here that doesn't have their website working is a huge hot lead client because they have a huge problem right now. They have no online presence. Their website is not working. You can call them and let them know, hey, I went to go to your website. It's not working at all. I actually help local businesses create optimized websites so they can rank higher on Google, get more leads. I'd love to give you a demo on what I have built out. So super simple and easy to do. And that would be another one that I would put into the Excel sheet. So again, the best way to do this is to batch this. You're going to build yourself a simple spreadsheet that's got the business name, the owner's name, if you can find on their site, their email address, phone number, and a note on the website status. Do this for 20 or 30 businesses and you have a real outreach list that's ready to go today. Now for the messaging, keep it super simple and easy. It's just going to be something like, hey, this is Kelan. I was searching Buffalo area for house cleaners and your business came up, but I noticed that your website isn't loading properly, or you don't have a website. I actually build websites for local businesses and I already put a website together for you. Would you be open for a quick 5 to 10 minute call this week? That's it. No portfolio link, no design samples, just a specific observation about their business and a simple low pressure ask. And you're going to be in shock at how many people actually respond to that message. All right, method number 2 and my personal favorite is local Facebook groups. This one is massively underrated and almost nobody in this space is talking about it. So you're just going to go over to Facebook and again, you're just going to search for a local home service business. You can do plumbers, HVAC contractors, electricians, you name it, you can pick it. And again, you're either going to type in near me to get your local area Facebook communities, so your local towns and cities, or you can type in cities across the nation. You could do Dallas, Fort Worth, Texas, whatever you want to do. I just typed in plumbers to give you an example. So if you can find one that actually has a location attached to it, that's going to be even better. So New York City plumbers, that's probably going to be a huge one. New Jersey contractors, carpenters, Virginia contractors, carpenters. So those are good Facebook groups that you could join, but you can also join ones that are like residents of a certain city, residents of a certain town. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that now. So the best Facebook groups that you can join are these residents of certain city, certain town, and you can simply go into the search bar and type in plumber. You're going to get a ton of people in search of looking for recommendations for a good plumber, honest and reasonable prices. Over 30 comments. So when you click in, you're going to see a list of recommended plumbers that do great work. And you're just going to go to their page and see if they have a website. Go to their Google page, see if they have a website. This one takes a little bit more time because it's not blatant right in your face, but this is an absolute gold mine for potential clients to do websites for. So another example would be contractor or house cleaner. And again, you're just going to search and you're going to see someone's looking for recommendations for reputable contractors to install flooring in my kitchen. Boom. People are going to make recommendations. The business owners are also going to chime in and put their website, and you can see and go through and start DMing these local business owners and start getting leads. So again, you would add these to your Excel sheet so that you can go back through and reach out to them all at once and batch it, which is going to make it way more streamlined and systematized for you. But this is, again, an absolute treasure trove of potential clients to work with. And the good thing about using Facebook groups is that if you are nervous about making cold calls, sending a DM on Facebook is a lot easier and a lower ask for yourself. And business owners are actually pretty good at answering Facebook messages. And another positive about this one, I call it the local hero, is that when you start to create these websites and do good work for people in your town, in your city, you start to get word of mouth so that when someone is asking for web design, you get recommended just like the other business owners do. And you just build a reputation and build a name for yourself so that you get referrals coming in and you're not having to always outdo outreach. So here's a simple message that I would send. Hey, blank, I saw your business getting recommended in the residents of whatever city or town group. And honestly, that's awesome social proof. I actually help local businesses like yours turn that kind of word of mouth into real online leads with a professional website. Would you be open for a quick conversation? And again, you're not cold here. You have a real reason to reach out. You're also complimenting them before you pitch anything, and you're being very specific exactly how you can help them. This combination is absolutely killer. Hey, real quick, if you're getting value from this video, can you hit the like button, share it with a friend, and comment free course below? I'm going to send you over all of my scripts, my templates, my step-by-step course, and my live one-on-one kickoff call to give you everything you need to succeed. Thanks. All right, method number 3 is going to be the Facebook ad library. This is one of my personal favorite methods, and once I show you why, you'll understand immediately. So this one's super simple. You're just gonna go over to Facebook/ads/library. This URL right here. Super simple. So once you get to this page, you're simply gonna make sure it's United States, all ads, and I'm gonna type in pressure washing for this example. Again, you can use any type of home service business. It is good to pick 1 or 2 niches so that you can kind of create a repeatable system as you go. But for this one, I'm going to be looking for local companies that look like they're running paid ads. So I'm going to go ahead and click this one right here, clear image, pressure washing, and I'm going to go ahead and click on their website and just make sure it's a quality website, which this one is actually, it's not horrible, but it can definitely get improved. I'm going to just go ahead and click this free consultation, and where it doesn't even bring me to like a form. So it's right there. So this could be a company I could definitely reach out to. They could definitely use some optimization here. They definitely don't have the best looking website. So I'm going to leave that one up. And again, continuing on, some of these are gonna be major, huge websites like the Soft Wash Depot, Pocket, PR Performance Products. So I'm just going Northside Windows and Gutter Cleaning. So this is gonna be a local business here. They've got about 500 likes on Facebook, so they most likely have a decent website. And it looks pretty professional. It's got their stuff up here. Let's see what get a free quote looks like. So they go right to the page. Perfect. So I would not be able to work with them. They are set up and ready to roll. The Power Pigs. So again, you're just gonna go one by one, go to their Facebook page, make sure that that's filled out well, and then go to their website to see if there's anything that you can do to improve their website or find a broken link or just a bad user experience. So they definitely spent some time creating this website. Looks like a local family here. I love that. Get a quote, and you can put in their name, number, all that stuff. So this website works. Definitely not the best website, but definitely is working for them. So again, I'm gonna keep going down until I find ones that need some help. All right, I found Ricky's Trash Haul Off. So let's just see what this website looks like. Boom. This one has no website. So it's not working, it's not loading. This is perfect. So again, this is a perfect example of a business that you could help. They are currently paying on Facebook, paying paid ads to get seen by other people, and their website is not even loading. Let me double check and make sure it's not loading. Yeah, it's not loading. So they're paying, wasting money, sending people to their website, and their website doesn't work to capture leads or anything like that. So I would definitely write this company down, put down their email address, their phone number, their business name, all that stuff into the Excel sheet so that I have it, a little note on where we found them and what their problem is. So again, you're gonna go to the Facebook ads page, click on some of those ads, follow to the landing page, and what you're looking for are businesses that are running paid ads, sending traffic to a weak or slow or non-converting website. Maybe it's just not mobile friendly. Maybe it loads in 8 seconds. Maybe it has no clear call to action or ability to actually collect leads. Or maybe it just looks like it was built from a Word document in 2008. Think about what that means. They're paying monthly every single day to send potential customers to a website that's actively losing them business. That's not a nice to have problem. That's a urgent, expensive, ongoing problem. And urgent problems get solved fast. So here's your simple outreach. Hey, business owner name, I came across your Facebook ad and I love the offer that you're currently running. I checked out your landing page though, and I think it might be costing you some conversions, or it's not loading at all in this case. I built high converting websites for business owners just like yourself. I put together a quick mock-up of yours to see what it could look like. Completely free, no obligations. Would you be interested in taking a look? You've done the homework, you've watched their ad, you have a specific insight, and you're offering them something for free with zero risk to them. That's a genuinely hard message to say no to. All right, let's go over pricing. Let me give you the exact numbers so you never have to guess on what to charge. For your first 2 or 3 clients, the ones that you're building your real portfolio with, you're collecting actual testimonials, charge between $1,000 to $2,000. Do not go below $1,000. Hear that again. Do not go below $1,000 ever. Cheap clients create expensive problems and suck your time. And I'm speaking from experience. Once you have some real wins, some real social proof, start to move your prices up. A full custom site that's SEO optimized using my entire AI prompt should run you from $3,000 to $5,000. And here's where the real long-term income comes from: monthly retainers. You're gonna have the upfront one-time fee to actually build out the site and the backend systems, and then you're gonna charge anywhere from $200 to $500 per month for ongoing services. This could be the website hosting, live chat widget on the website, review request automation, all in one inbox, missed call text back, any system that's actually gonna help them run their business. And all of this you can set up inside GoHighLevel in under an hour. So do the math with me real quick. 10 clients on a monthly retainer at $297 per month is just under $3,000 per month in completely reoccurring and predictable income. And that's coming in every single month before you have to go out and find new clients and build new websites. That's how you build something that actually replaces your 9-to-5 income. And before you say, yes, I know, Kellen, I don't actually know how to build these websites. That's completely fine, because in this AI era, you don't need to know how to even code a single line. GoHighLevel has pre-built templates for almost every local business niche imaginable. Plus they just dropped an AI studio, which is basically ChatGPT for vibe coding. So you basically put in a prompt and it's gonna build you a website in just minutes. I have a bunch of videos on our channel that go over AI Studio and how to actually build out the website, so make sure you're subscribed and check out those videos after this. And I've been building and using websites and doing SEO for over 10 years, and I've never come across anything like this. I built an entire AI prompt that's included in my free course that you can use, and you basically type the prompt into AI Studio and it's gonna build you out a professional SEO optimized website in just minutes. One rule to always remember about pricing and getting paid is always collect 50% of your fee up front before you start building anything. The remaining 50% is collected upon delivery when the customer's happy. That way you're never doing unpaid work. You get paid first, then you build it, and then you collect the rest. So here's the one thing I want you to take away from this video. Your first client is going to be your hardest one to get. You'll send the messages and they'll get ignored. You're gonna get told no. You might get ghosted 3 times in a row. That is 100% normal, and it means absolutely nothing about your ability to succeed at this. The people who build real web design businesses, the ones that are making $5,000, $10,000, $20,000 per month, are not more talented than you. They are not more experienced than you. They just started before they felt ready. They took action when it was super uncomfortable. They sent that first message, they made that first call. You don't need a portfolio, you don't need some silly degree, you don't need to be a tech person. You need one client. Just one. And the 3 proven methods that I just gave you can get you there this week if you actually go do it. Action takers are money makers. Go take action. And if you're serious about building a web design business this year, make sure you hit the subscribe button right now. We drop new videos every single week showing you exactly how to build real online income using AI tools and automations. And if you haven't done it yet, comment free course below. I'll personally make sure you get all of my outreach scripts, my templates, my AI prompts, and my complete step-by-step course to help you get started. Again, completely free. And now that you know how to actually get web design clients, you need to know what to actually say on discovery calls to close them. And I made a video covering exactly that. It's right here. Head over there and watch it now. I'll see you over there. Peace. Thank you so much for watching. God bless.